Hi friends! Today we're going to make a yummy food called Tamago Sando. It's a Japanese food. Tamago means egg and sando or sandoichi means sandwich. So we're going to make egg sandwich. To make it, you need to prepare 4 boiled eggs, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, pinch of pepper and salt, 4 slices of bread. You may use tomato sauce or cheese or anything you like to sprinkle on your Tamago Sando. Please also prepare a fork, a bowl, and a plate for serving our Tamago Sando. Are you ready with all the ingredients? Let's start! First, peel the boiled eggs. Do you know that you can use the eggshell as a fertilizer for your plants? So nice to do! So we can turn waste into something useful. Now, put the boiled eggs into a bowl and mash them with the fork like this. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it. Next, you can put seasoning on the mashed egg and mix them together. When you're finished, put a pinch of salt and pepper and mix them again. You can put oregano if you like. Now, you can put tomato sauce or anything you like and mix them again. Put a slice of bread on the plate. Then spread the mashed eggs on the bread. After that, put another slice of bread on it. For the last touch, you can garnish your Tamago Sando. And here we go! Our yummy Tamago Sando is ready to eat. Go and enjoy your Tamago Sando with your family. See you on our next adventure.